playground.
Yeah, we will. Just talk.
Hi, so we're gonna play on the playground, and when we get past that guy and when we're in the playground, we're gonna show you the playground there.
So this is our fourth. I know we haven't done a video on the playground challenge, eh?
My dad dropped his keys.
Yeah, we haven't done a challenge. Oh, we haven't done a video on the playground challenge. So this is our fourth one.
Yeah, fourth one.
To a far. So this playground is located in town, in Hastings, William Nelson Park. Yeah. So there's a bit of a skate thing over here too. So we're gonna go to the playground, eh?
Yes, so there's a slide and some stuff over there. When we get over there, you can see us. And when I hop on the thing, I can show you the swing.
Cool. That's us.
Forever searching for the answers that my heart longs to know. Who is this man called Jesus that I'm supposed to know? How can I love the Savior when I never seen his face? How can I find in him faith? I must pay attention to the Spirit. I must listen for the whisper of his still small voice. I must pray and wait for an answer. And I know I'll find faith in Jesus Christ.
So, what are you doing today? I used to switch in the video today because
The road may not always seem clear, and things may seem harder to see, but knowing that I'm a child of God, I know what's required of me, and I must pay